Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity, which was very interesting, in which you just have to unscramble these words and arrange them in an order to come up with the word. And this is what the answer slide look like. I just want you to tell your answers with the reference slide. Now let's look at the LIFFT, which clearly says that you have to read. Read what? Grade appropriate, irregularly spelled words. Now this is what your focus look like. And today's focus is irregularly spelled words. Now, what are those words? These are those words which do not follow the formal spelling rule. All right? There are certain letters in the word, but we do not pronounce them the way they are written. So, they do not follow usual spelling rules and making them tricky to spell. Now, let's look at the example. So, how are you people going to pronounce it? Of course, there is C-O-L-O-N-E-L. But we are not going to pronounce as the letters arranged in them. There is a separate way of pronouncing it, which is a bit tricky, and that is kernel. Yes, you heard me right. And no. I know these letters are not present in there, but this is the way how it works. So you have to learn it by heart. Whenever you hear the word kernel, you're not going to write these spellings. These are the spellings. Why? Because they are irregularly spelled words. So this is what you have to learn by heart. Kernel. You have to say it like this, but you have to write it like that. Now, I have one more quirky example for you guys. Yes, there are spellings over here, different letters, but we are not going to pronounce the letter C in it. Instead, we are going to say yacht. Yacht. This is not silent. Got it? This is not silent. This is just irregularly spelled word. So whenever you hear the word yacht, you have to write these spellings, but don't say the sound of letter C. Now let's read another example, which is very common, and we people write it on everyday basis and even listen to it, which is biscuit. Biscuit. In this word, we do not pronounce the sound of letter U, but we place it over there and we sound it like this. Biscuit. Got it? So again, this is not silent. This is just irregularly spelled word. Now, you have to remember the spellings as well. Got it? Now, to check your understanding, we have designed 2 classwork activities which you have to do it in the class with the help of your teacher, and when you are going to go home, you are going to do this homework with the help of your parent. I hope you have learned something new today. See you again in the next LIFFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.